cooking over here. You can probably hear that sizzling stuff behind me. And you're probably like, what you making? Well, I'm gonna tell you what I'm making right now. I'm making nachos. Oh man, nachos. Nachos are so good. Oh, nacho-y. So, what do we got going on here today? Let me tell you. Woo! This is hot stuff. So, here's what I'm doing. You can see the steaming hot ground turkey that I have right here. Then I got some nachos, donkey chips. I love the donkey nachos. And I put some sliced up mozzarella on here because it's got to be a little Italian, you know. And then the key to everything, Goya seasoning. Woo! Goya seasoning. Oh, I forgot to, don't worry, it'll all work out. So I can take some of my meats, put them on top here. Meatalicious. Meatalicious. I'm getting excited about eating this stuff right now. Oh, it's so good looking. There we go. Next up, I got some salsa. I like the Jack's salsa I get it at the Jewels. You can probably get it wherever you get your salsas. It's in the refrigerated section, so you know it's much better than like the non-refrigerated sections. So I can take my salsa, spoon on. Now you'll probably see like all the people making nachos, and when they make their nachos, they like put the whole thing back in the oven to like get the cheese extra melty and stuff. It's not gonna happen right here. Because this is speed nachos. This is the fastest nacho making you're ever going to see in your life. I'm even going to add some avocado to it because, I don't know, avocados are everything right now. You really can't eat without making an avocado on something, it seems, these days. If you do, then people are going to make fun of you like, you ate dinner and you didn't have avocado on it? Well, what's wrong with you? Watch out yourself, don't cut yourself. So I can take some nachos, some avocado here, and I'm just gonna mush it up right inside Oh yeah, it's getting mushy right in there. And then as I mush it up, I'm just gonna let it just fall right down on top of my nachos. Ooh, nacho-y. Look at that yummy avocado-y avocados. This is really good. You know what I wish I had? I wish I had a little bit of lime. That'd be really good. Oh well, can't be perfect every day, right? That's how you know I'm human. Because sometimes I make a mistake. Even me makes mistakes sometimes. That's about all I'm going to get out of the half. I don't feel like going the other half right now. Put that to the side. And I'm going to add on this. My queso that I love so much. I get it at Aldi, where all the crazy stuff comes from. Just going to sprinkle it on the top here. This is kind of like Mexican Parmesan, according to the bag where it says Mexican Parmesan. So I'm calling it Mexican Parmesan. You can see it right there. Ooh, it's so good. Now look at this. Okay, so I cooked the turkey. That took like, I don't know, 5 minutes to cook turkey. Stick it on there. You're mixing it up. You put the Goya seasoning on it. Goya seasoning. Smushed up some avocado, put the avocado on there, put some mozzarella on the bottom, added that Mexican Parmesan on top, add some salsa. Now I'm gonna just kind of smush everything around here a little bit. I'll just use my chips to smush, probably better. So I'm just gonna take my chips and smooshing, chipping, smooshing. Gets all over the place. Then you take a chip, you stick it right in there, and you pull up this and you got all kind of good stuff on there. You know what that tastes like? That tastes like heaven right there. Tastes like a little bit of heaven right there. See you next week.